Well, a very strange motorcycle accident to tell you about tonight. According to DPS, a motorcycle rider was transported with moderate injuries to a local hospital after falling off his bike on I-17 in Dove Valley. The rider tumbled and slid along the roadway, but get this, his bike kept on going, driving without a rider for 2 miles, scraping along the concrete median barrier wall. Officers say the victim is an older man who was riding a Harley-Davidson cruiser-style motorcycle.
I'm here at BMW's booth at CES 2019 outside in the parking lot, and as you can see, obviously we need to be outside because cars and motorcycles. But before that, the Riderless motorcycle. Now this is pretty insane. When you watch this with your own eyes, just take a look and see. It is riding itself.